Hello everybody, today I'm gonna drive you through the user journey of Synesgy. So the first step is to insert your email and password and to log in. Once you enter the platform, you are allowed to access the section for portfolio management. Portfolio management allows you to monitor your business-related entities. Business-related entities can be intended as your suppliers, or your customers, or whatever. If you are an association, it could be your members, it could be your subsidiaries, whatever. So Synesgy is extremely flexible and can well support the needs of you as a customer. Of course, the first step in order to monitor your business-related entity is to define the list of these entities. So, the first step is to download and fill in an Excel file. We chose Excel as a format because it is possibly the simplest one. Only the columns with a star are mandatory. So actually you need to insert the name of the company, country code, and email address. Then the platform will automatically send an email invitation to all the entities in the list. The email invitation can be customized, so you can define your own text, you can insert the logo of your organization, the signature of your CEO, of your purchasement office leader or whatever. So actually once you upload this Excel file in the system, all your related entities will receive an invitation with a link that drives them to the registration form. So you see here there is a number of very simple information that we require. No need of insert or fill in huge forms with complex data, etc., etc. You simply fill in this data, you tick a checkbox for online registration, you press register, and that's it. Then you are allowed to move to be registered as a customer, access the platform, and fill in the ESG survey. The survey is specifically designed to be extremely simple and user-friendly, so to be accessed also by small, medium enterprises or possibly small companies. The survey is based on multiple choice, yes, no, or insert a number questions. There is no open text such as please describe your ESG strategy in the next 10 years. So all the questions are very simple and the system provides helps to the user in terms of explanation for the question. So here you are explained, you are suggested what we mean with this question. And with a tool for emission calculation. We know that a number of companies does not monitor directly their emission, possibly they do not even have knowledge to do so. So the tool provides a help to calculate your emission. So as you can see, the user is required a number of simple information, basically the amount of fuel that you burn as a company. There is a list of fuels that you can insert, and you see here there is a list for each one type of fuel. You select a unit and you insert an amount. You can add as many lines as you wish, and you simply press a button to return an estimation of your GHG consumption. Together with the fuel, we also provide estimation for vehicles and for electricity and heat. So electricity, of course, is based on the country where you come from. So based on the country and of the electricity that you consume, you receive an estimation of your energy consumption, of your greenhouse gas emission, and then you can fill in the survey with this datum. The survey is divided into sections: environment, social, governance, plus industry specific. So the survey provides customization in terms of macro sectors, so I'm saying about industry specific, agriculture, chemicals, whatever. Plus, there are customization by country and possibly also for a specific buyer. So if you wish, you might insert your own question to the survey that is further available in a number of different languages. The survey also allows to save as draft. So, of course, if you log in, log out, refresh, whatever, then you will not lose your data, and you will be allowed to start from the last point where you finished completion. The estimation for completion time is about 2 or 3 hours. After you complete the survey, you simply press Save and Submit, and the system will immediately and automatically return you an evaluation. So no need of human intervention, wait for a long time, etc., etc. The system immediately returns you a score. The score is overall, plus detailed by sector. So you see your performance with regard of environment, governance, etc. You also have an area where you receive insight on where you are stronger and where your performance is weaker. So actually you say, well, on environment, water, energy, no, where is a section? On governance structure and composition on company governance body, my company is weak. So I move back to the survey. I take a look at this section, that is governance structure and composition of governance body. So some of these questions, so do you have audited financial statement? No. This may be the point where I can improve my performance. Once of course, the entire survey can be downloaded as a PDF, and the platform also allows to download a certificate also in XML format, or as an image or as a PDF, that the user is allowed to publish on its website. Once the user fills in the survey, then you as a company are allowed to view the performance of your business-related entities. Because in the one hand, you have an assessment on the business-related entity. On the other hand, you wish to monitor this assessment. So Synesgy as a platform provides you a number of dashboards. So a set of dashboards is regarding the status of the invitation that you sent. So how many customers are registered, are not registering for a long time. Amongst the ones that are registered, how many are certified, in progress, etc. And with regard of the customers that filled in the survey, then you are allowed to see how many, you are allowed to see a breakdown by score, so A, B, C, D, or E. It is further available to take a look at score distribution by sector score. So I'm talking about the environment score, the social score, etc., etc. So these are the easy and simple dashboards that are accessible by the platform. So these are great tools for a head of supply chain to understand in a fast and simple way the current status of your supply chain, of your portfolio of customers, whatever. But on the other hand, Synesgy allows you to look into your portfolio. For example, you can take a look at all the companies with a survey that is completed. And you can access, of course, this is a test environment, so the name of the company is test. And you can access, you can see the survey with all their data. In case they upload a document, you can even see the documents that they uploaded. So Synesgy is a fully transparent platform that really allows you to monitor and have full access on all the data. Even the raw data can be easily accessed in Excel format. So if you export the survey in Excel, then in the area for download, you are allowed to download an Excel file that contains a list of all the companies of your portfolio with details of the score, and one by one, all the responses for all the questions. So this is a very valuable tool because, for example, it might allow you to take a look at which one of my customers do not have policies for human rights or child labor. So once I focus on these customers, I can draw my internal KPI for risk management. I can take action. So for example, I can start a mail campaign to ask my suppliers to sign a document against child labor. Or possibly, if I were a bank, I could access the GHG emission of all my customers, and then I can draft a disclosure for how much GHG emission is connected to every €1 that I lend from my portfolio. So actually, to download the raw data and the transparency of the platform is a value that we are very proud to provide to our customers. So Synesgy is a platform that really empowers you as an end user with with full insight on the entire situation of your supply chain, of your portfolio of customers. As I already mentioned, Synesgy is a web-based platform and allows connection with external systems. So this can be done via APIs. There is an amount of APIs that basically allows you to run whatever action. Invitation of suppliers, download of data. So if you need further information about this, which could also allow, for example, to include the score of Synesgy into your risk management system, or to include the ESG information into the credit risk score, or whatever, please refer to us and we will provide you documentation and technical details about API connection to the system. Okay, so that's it for this session. Thanks a lot everybody for your attention, and please do not hesitate to refer to us for any comments or questions that you might have. Thanks again, and wish you a nice day.